Hi, in this video today, I would like to show you how to renew PMP certification. Assuming you already collect the necessary PDU professional development units to maintain the PMP certification after 3 years of cycle. Okay, so now let's get started. This is my PMI account, and you see here for the PMP certification, I already earned the necessary 60 PDUs. So for now, I can see the renew button on the right hand side. Let's go ahead to click on the renew button. And after that, the system will automatically add the purchase for PMP certification renewal into the shopping cart. The next step, I will select the option donate to PMI Educational Foundation. If you don't want to donate, you can select this option, the other amount, and just left this one by blank. You click on the continue checkout button if you want to purchase for this one. And otherwise, if you still want to continue shopping, you can click on the continue button here. So before continuing the checkout process, let's take a look into the renewal price. If I purchase for the renewal process and I'm not the PMI member, so that I need to pay 105 USD. However, if I already the PMI membership, I just need to pay 42 USD, and I save a lot of money here. So that means if you have a plan to get any certification from the PMI, and after you finish and earn the certification, you should try to collect all of the necessary PDU for the certification. And before the PMI membership expires, you should collect all of the PDU and then starting the process to purchase for a new cycle of the certification. That will save the money for you. Okay, so for now, I will click on the continue checkout button to process for the purchase. On the next step, you can enter some of the promotion code here in order to discount for the order. So for now, I don't have any code here, so I will leave this one by blank. The next step, I will select the payment method. For the payment methods, I will select the option be paid by with credit card, and then select the credit cards or the Visa you want to be purchased for this order. So here I will select the option by pay with the Visa, and because I already have some the order and some purchase before, so that's when I select the option to pay with the credit cards or debit card here. It will display the option for me here to select the Visa or MasterCard for payment. However, if this one is the first time you purchase the order on the PMI website, so you have to click on the add payment method and then enter some information for the credit card here. Yeah. Assuming you already complete adding the new credit cards into this form. Yeah. And the next step, I have to make sure that I click on the I agree button here by default. The next step, click on review order button to review the order. Yeah. So here, this is the overall information for my order. I have the product here. This one is the renewal process for the PMP certification and the subtotal, the tax, and also the payment method here. And I can see the total shipping of the money on the left-hand side here. And this one is the total money I need to be paid. The last step, I will click on the place order to perform the purchase order e-processing. Here. So for now here, you can see the order is success. And this is the thank you message from the PMI. It's been sending out an email to me to get the order confirmation. Yeah. And this is the order number. They have the message that they already sent an email to my email for the confirmation. Yeah. So for now, let's come back into the dashboard. Yeah. So you see here for the PMP, it's already done. Okay, cool. So for now, the renew button already disappeared. Okay, so that's all. I think this one is very easy. But before you can see the renew button, you have to make sure that you know how to earn the sufficient PDUs for the certification maintenance. If you still don't know how to earn the PDUs for the certification, so you can find another video to guide you how to earn the PDU in the description of this video. Okay, thank you and hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question or any issue. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.